All right. Hey, Robert with BC Customz here. This is a 2024 Road Glide. I'm going to go over some accessories that we offer here at this shop. The first thing I want to point out is actually we're our Soundz dealer. Here we are with this six-speaker actually system. And you'll notice that one of the most important things here is that the lowers. Now, these lowers are only offered for the 25 up. You'll see it's on Harley-Davidson website. Now, what I've done here, of course, is that we actually have pods that actually bolt into the glove box section without actually destroying the glove box. Now, we have two different angles on these. You come over here and I'll show you real fast. In case you want a little bit lower profile adapter or you want a higher angled adapter, we got that. So just in case you want more sound coming to you or you just want a little bit lower profile to kind of hide what's in there. Right there is what we got. Now, of course, this is a 1200 watt system from Soundz. Again, we're an official Soundz distributor and also a Soundz installer. Everything comes with a 3-year warranty when it's done by us. And you're not going to beat this. This is probably the best speaker system, best quality sound. You're not going to get anything better than this. Give me a call, BC Customz. There's my number. There's our website. Check it out.